Okay, so I broke a bolt off in my my clutch slave cylinder. As you can see, this bolt right here. Oh, come on, come in focus. This is a 91 CBR 1000. I had bought all kinds of easy out extractors, tried everything. However, all I needed was a left-handed drill bit. Left-handed drill bit. I did a center punch in the middle of the bolt to get the bit started, and then I just slowly started drilling. And when I tried to look on YouTube to find out how to do this, I couldn't find anything that showed exactly how to do it. But there you go. Now, wait, where is it? Shit. There it is. Okay, so now I need to know if I damaged any threads. And we'll see when I try to put the other bolt in. But that's how you do it. CBR 1000, clutch slave, cylinder, busted off bolt, left-handed drill bit. That's what you need.